Good morning, guys. Today I had plans of getting engine degreaser, pressure washing the 135, cleaning it up, putting Christmas lights on the house, and it's raining, so I don't know if any of that's gonna happen. So now I gotta think of a new idea. Well, finally it stopped raining, so I'm gonna do what I originally planned on. I'm gonna go grab some engine degreaser. I had already warmed up my other car, but I think I'm just gonna drive this because it's new and I'm excited. So yep, I'm gonna run to the store and then I'll see you guys back here. Got some gunk engine degreaser, but I'm not really sure why I drove the 135 because now I gotta wait for the engine to cool to even spray it and clean it, so that was kind of dumb, but whatever. I guess this is supposed to smell like oranges, so we'll see. It's pretty dirty. Definitely could use a good wash. This smells so strong. It's kind of nice though. Alright, gonna let that sit for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it off, but I think I might just have to use the hose because I couldn't get my stupid pressure washer working. But whatever, we'll see how it goes. Oops. This is so much better already, look at this. Obviously it's not perfect, we still got some dirt down there, but it's already so much better. This thing was like thick, caked with dirt. Now it's pretty clean. As you'll see in this next clip I'm about to put in, before I even got the car, I had already ordered my Dock Racing single turbo kit. I don't even have the car yet, and right now, ladies and gents, we're placing an order at Dock Racing for my BMW 135 N54 top mount single precision turbo kit. Look at this. Going with the 6266. Yes, please on coding, manual transmission, add to cart. And now, I'm going to check out. So, it says turbo kits currently have a 1-week build time, so this is going to be the longest week of my entire life. Check out. Oh. And I think I've ordered everything so far. Huge shout out to Jake Spence on his full build guide on his, like my 135i. Some website. It's so helpful. I'm so appreciative of all the work and time he put into that website. It's so nice. But yeah, I went through his list and I'm pretty sure I've ordered everything I need to get. I've ordered all the supporting mods and upgrades, and here, wait, I have paperwork for some of the big things that we got. So obviously the single turbo kit, and then we got a full titanium catback exhaust system that was from Black Market Racing, looked really nice. From VRSF we got the 7.5 inch stepped race intercooler, 50mm blow off valve, charge pipe, port injection control module, a bunch of stuff from ECS Tuning, just like receipts that are endless. Oil catch can, stage 3 clutch and flywheel. Definitely gonna need that. So yeah, stay tuned guys, because This thing's gonna be a monster. I'm so excited.